Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to link Shopify to TikTok. So, in order to link Shopify to TikTok, simply navigate to shopify.com and log into your account using your user credentials. After you log in, you will see this page that is Shopify's dashboard. Here, you'll have to simply click on the apps text or section at the left corner of the screen. Now, you will see a search option appearing at the top. Here, click on all recommended apps option and select Shopify App Store link at the bottom of this page. Now, you will see a page that will look something like this. Here, click on search app guides and more and search for TikTok. Now, after you search for TikTok, hit enter. It is going to show you some search results. From these search results, select TikTok and it is going to show you this page. Now you can see highlights, rating, developer and the description of TikTok just right here on this page. Here you can see you can reach more shoppers and grow your business with TikTok ads and TikTok Shop. You can simply click on install button that will appear just right here instead of not compatible. So as you can see, TikTok is not compatible with my store because my location is not situated in these countries. So TikTok store is only compatible within these countries. Make sure that you are from one of these countries or change your location. Then you can simply click on the install button appearing just right here. Whenever you're going to click on install button here, it is going to open up Shopify's dashboard where you'll have to click on install again. Then you'll be taken to a page where you'll have to log into TikTok using your user credentials. After you log into your TikTok using your user credentials on Shopify's page, you would have successfully linked TikTok to Shopify. So that's how you do it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.